Little Jordan loved making paintings with her dad, but her sore, sniffly nose kept making her sad. Suddenly, she erupted with a fiery sneeze. So Dad grabbed Puffs Plus lotion to soothe her with. Puffs Plus lotion is gentle on sensitive. A nose in need deserves Puffs. Indeed, America's #1 lotion.
Yeah. 7 a.m. waking.
How can you guys not like corn mix? Like, it just doesn't.
Ever wondered how Crayola gets their crayons to your house? Yeah, it seems like magic. Let's go find out.
Psych!
Alright, I'm done with this.
Oh yeah, one more thing.